people, I am getting ready to try something different. Crochet braids again. I'm all about a crochet. I put my hair back. Well, today what I did was, well, I'll just show you a picture. Yeah, so that was the style of the day today. And all I did was I had my hair back, well, up in a bun like, and I put the hair, it was the old, I recycled my hair, the old Italian curl hair that I'd taken out a couple weeks back, and I put it in the bun part, and then all I did was crochet. I saw an idea, again, YouTube, I can't even remember who it was, or I would give you credit. They were crocheting it into their hair, just this area. I was like, okay, God, anyway, I put my hair in a bun this time, like back here. I want to conceal it. I'm thinking maybe I'll pin it down because I'm thinking maybe I can just crochet my whole head right now and maybe give myself a nice short bob. I'm gonna see how that's gonna go. So what I'm gonna do is I have my hair in a bun here, and then I'm going to pin, can you see it? Pin the back down, and then I keep it flat and see what happens. So I'm only gonna keep it in for a day, for tomorrow, and see how it looks. All right, I am maybe halfway through. Let me show you the back. If you can see the back, where the bun was. I don't know how it looks. I haven't looked at it yet. But I think it's going okay. I think it's going okay. Okay, y'all, so this is all my old hair. I had it in a bag. I was gonna throw it out. This is the Italian curl that I had in last month. And yeah, I said, you know what? I'm gonna cut them in half because they were, I think it was 14, it was longer than 14 inches. It was about 18 inches, something like that. And I'm cutting them in half. So you can see. I'm cutting them in half. So I have them here, and I'm gonna put them in my hair. Look here. You can see, I don't know if you can I focus? See the white stuff? Now that's not dandruff. That is from the hair itself, because I in the previous videos when I was talking about this hair, it has a crispiness, like, and adhesive, and it keeps the hair like nice and crispy, curly, having a little bit of a wet look, which is nice, but it turns white. Look, it has this white, I guess. Can you see that white? Yes. It's all over. So what I have to do is separate the hair and look at the hair carefully and make sure there's no white, because I don't want any white in my head. So it's not that it's dirty and it has dandruff. It's the white residue or flakes. See that? The white flakes. It want to look like dandruff if I put it in my head, and I ain't fitting to do that. Alright people, so I kind of finished. I need to shape it up, clip some things. Yeah, shape it up a little bit. Let me see the back of my head. Hopefully I haven't looked at the back of my head yet. But remember, I had it in a bun. Yeah. Head. Hopefully it came out on the camera. See, I don't think you can see the bun. I showed my mom earlier when it was just like, just from here back, and she was like, oh, that looks good, and she didn't know what was underneath. Yeah, I really like this concept. And remember, I pulled my hair, you can see the part, I didn't really put a part, it was only because of the gathering whenever I crocheted in. I'll show you up close in the light. See, I mean, it's a little bit of a dip, but because the hair is black, it kind of blends in with my hair. You can see the knot if you look closely, but on a glance you can't even really see anything, which is cool. I think some of them are, oh, this one's really thick and long. I wonder if it's coming out. I'm gonna have to trim it. There was something else I was gonna say about this. Oh, the style I was getting, like putting it up, because I didn't do all of here, and I noticed I could maybe keep some kind of a style with that, like at the side, like that. I could do that. That's an option. That looks kind of cool, doesn't it? Looks funky. I might do that. I'm going to the Raptors 905 game tomorrow. Might just do my hair.